Yes.
It works.
Get behind now.
It's back! Woohoo! Mr. Stallone!
Can you guys see
What did for
yourselves?
you?
Oh my Nate, you are so lagging.
Oh yeah, I lied.
Adrian's like perfectly fine. Will's perfectly fine. And then there's Nate just like.
Oh, the team.
What?
Really
quality?
horrible.
Alright, pick a T and then get your cups.
What, the quality of my screen is not good?
It looks fine to me.
The alpha team.
Yeah, yours is
Well,
better than
yeah,
mine.
It's fine to mine too.
Are you on a phone?
Oh, Pearl Gray.
Am I on a phone? No, I'm on my laptop.
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Okay, interesting.
Hey, I hear T.
Yep.
I got mine.
Alright, we're gonna pour those cups.
Mr. Sotelo, have you had this?
I wonder whose fault that is, Adrian.
Yeah, it's definitely yours.
Sounds good.
It does sound good.
So I'm gonna have to try.
I just posted a geometry formula sheet.
Japanese
We're just gonna go over the surface area formulas for the geometry now.
plus apple
Okay.
plus
Ooh.
ginger.
So after we pour the tea,
I'm not at the top.
we will start that, okay?
Oh, you guys missed it. Adrian showed us her room. Her divergent room.
Oh, wow.
Kind of embarrassing. I think Marvel. I showed it to you earlier, right, Jeff, when I was in bio.
Marvel, she's talking to
What?
Mine was like, no.
What'd
He
you
wasn't
say,
paying
Adrian?
attention.
I can't
I
hear
definitely
you.
showed it to Bella.
Huh?
Whatever. You're annoying. Get away.
What'd you say?
No, he said that I showed them the divergent stuff, and I was like, yeah, I showed them in bio class too, which Marvel was.
Oh,
Yeah.
Aha. We get a panoramic view of Nate's room,
Basement.
basement.
Mm.
There it is.
Wait. There we go.
Bill's got the best view.
Just play Rocket League, Nate.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Wait, can I play Among Us?
We're gonna play Among Us.
Yeah, I think we should, like later.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, this smells so good, though.
Ew. I don't like that sliding thing.
What's for you, Nate?
Up.
Expecting
Well-
good taste, or else I'm gonna be very disappointed. This better taste. This better taste as good as it smells. Now we have more than
I have one-
water for everything.
Wait.
Why do I have so many pens in there? Oh my.
We have more than hot
You're
water. Lightly
not ready for
shake
this.
speaking for optimal flavor.
Alright, alright.
Any extra powder left in the package?
Alright, just let him cool for a little
Is
bit.
that real?
Just in case. Yeah?
This one is very real.
Ah. Our tea is beautiful. I wish you could
Stop
have...
it, no, you're making me sad.
I
Wait,
know.
what tea?
What are you having today?
We
Girl?
have... What is the tea, Marvel?
It's matcha,
Matcha.
apple, and ginger. No, you gotta be
Matcha, apple, ginger, green tea, right?
apple and
Oh,
ginger.
that.
It doesn't say green tea. No, yeah, green tea.
I guess I'll stand outside your window at Newman and just wait to be lowered a tea.
I'll just pour the
I'm
hot water.
not even mind.
I might have to mail you tea or something. Alright, are we ready? Alright,
What'd you say?
I'm gonna start presenting so you're gonna lose each other's faces.
Okay.
It says from 30 seconds.
Oh, you'll have each other for a minute, I guess.
Who is this?
I am.
Oh, do you paintball? Or is that for like riding?
Let's see how this tea is.
Wait, what'd you say?
Was that a paintball mask or is that for like...
It's a paintball mask.
Nice. That was always fun. Alright, so we're just gonna go over geometry formulas.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I should grab my book bag with my notes.
You got your tea ready, but not your notebook. That sounds like these guys in here.
So I should.
Much?
All right. So let me grab one of the
Floating
sheets.
around in there.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna go grab my book bag.
Okay. Yeah, let me see what's also floating around in there. Oh, is that the microphone?
Yeah. I'm getting
So
a
that
better
means-
one soon, but
so
that's
that
what's in
means-
my house. Don't do that.
Marvel.
Yeah?
Will.
What is it? Will.
All right.
Oh, suspect.
What's lunch today?
Chicken.
What's that?
It's a dog
Oh.
or a cat. Guaranteed. It's
I did the leg pretty
You guys
badly.
get your missed chicken wrap. I hope you know that.
Yeah.
I don't even know what you're
Losers.
Chicken wrap and
It's a
pasta salad.
Who drew a cat?
Okay.
not a cat.
That was just for fun. I didn't get me one. Oh, shit.
I was driving to Walmart.
There was a cat outside a second ago.
Was it
black.
Yeah, I always see it.
It was grilling.
Last year, that black cat always showed up. I swear to God.
Oh,
I was in Stats last year.
make it the Sandra Bullock stick man.
Oh,
No, someone just paints their cat black.
my throat hurts.
Oh, that's a big head.
A little worrying. Oh, it's so
Oh my.
cute.
Okay. We have radius, right?
Oh,
Queen.
We already did the area formula for the circle. Is that correct?
Yes.
You guys know circumference?
Yes, ID.
Pi d,
High R.
where d is twice the radius.
Nate, you better not test positive for COVID.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think I'm right.
Because
Ryan
he sits
was-
there, which means you're gone, I'm gone.
Ryan McGinn has.
The whole senior class would be gone.
no, we definitely will be if you have it and Brian has it.
So Nate,
Well, if that's the case,
I'm gone.
um,
Only left.
Our physics class is already gone.
Yep.
Because she's gonna.
Physics is gone, calculus is gone.
Until Griffin tests positive, and then she's gone.
Stats is gone.
Stats is gone.
School shuts down. Then they'll die.
Theology.
I'm giving it like.
Biology's pretty much already gone, I think.
2 weeks.
That's what I said already.
Yeah.
Or we're all
How many
going
people would it take to be
No,
positive
I don't. I'm quarantined.
from the shutdown?
Yeah.
For the school to shut down?
Yeah.
You
Just
should always
more
do your
teachers than we
game.
have subs.
A couple days ago.
Oh.
So it doesn't matter for students then. It's just teachers.
Well,
Yeah.
Because it can
Honestly,
all the students are just.
Is that a circle or is that like a face?
It's a circle.
But it's definitely a face.
No, it's Batman. Oh,
Now it's a face.
oh, it's Batman.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying.
All right. You guys are good on that one?
Yep.
I mean, yeah, that's by heart.
Good.
It's actually not for me, but
What, pi r
Yeah.
squared and 2 pi r?
yeah, no, it probably is. I don't know. Just to say, I'd have to see some application.
Okay. How about
Oh.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh, right.
Oh.
so
I forgot that you draw weird.
we have the cylinder, right?
Oh no, I can't do it.
How do you do that? 2 circles?
Mine just won't be the same shape ever.
Just do a circle, like an ellipse,
Guys, look at this.
kind of like that.
I don't know if you can see that. Wait.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, now it's brighter.
I don't know why. It's behind it. I don't think you can see it. Looks fine.
See
Oh, I
that?
like that. Hello?
Where does the term onomatopoeia come from?
It's just a word.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Words. Those come from people saying, ooh, this
I
should
don't
be
know.
a.
I don't know.
I remember hearing that in class. I forgot which class. Onomatopoeia.
Okay. So we did the volume of a cylinder. What was that? Without looking.
Pi r squared times height.
That's Griffin's.
So yeah, you get the area of the cross sectional of a cross section, and you multiply by the height, right?
Griffin, you're so smart.
Thank you.
But what about the surface area?
Surface area.
Pi r h plus pi, 2 pi r
Don't
squared.
look at it. Okay, so we got 2 circles, right?
Yeah.
So that means you'd have pi r squared twice, right?
Right.
Yep.
I'm using sigma here, the Greek little sigma for surface area.
Wouldn't it be 2 pi r times height?
I'm just gonna write essay.
2 pi r times
Yeah, that's what I
height,
put
that's
too.
correct.
Plus
So
Plus
2 pi r.
2 pi r squared.
if you think about like cutting it along an edge,
You?
they call this like the soup label of the can. And it would be the height by the circumference. Because the
I
circumference.
want to be talking now so badly.
What's that?
Oh, I can do it real fast. Just what's the radius?
Oh, just R.
Hey, you gotta start cheating.
We're just using
No.
I might
Is that
say,
just?
what's that?
Never mind.
No, Adrian, say it. What are you gonna say?
No, I was waiting for him to make it 3-dimensional and he didn't, and I was like, oh, we're just doing.
We're not plugging in anything.
Right.
I'm just dumping my tea bag now.
Nate,
Yeah.
are you writing that down?
I already did.
Oh, wow.
It's on the
Ow.
sheet, but it's good to justify why these are, because a lot of times you don't just have the basic shapes, you have like composite shapes. So like you might have like, I don't know, what would be a good one? You might have like a cylinder.
Oh my god, it's Saturn. Just kidding, it's not.
What?
You might have like a hemisphere.
It's the emergency button.
It's what?
It's the emergency button.
Oh yeah.
Basis
I'm in.
accusation.
Yeah,
Actually, it's Bella. I haven't seen it.
your little megaphone.
So you might have something like that.
Who's last?
What else do we have? We
Nate.
have the
Yeah, well, that's exactly what I was thinking too.
What's happening?
Wait, hold on.
Wait, did we get a thing for it?
All right.
Well, that's exactly what I'm thinking. I'm just trying to. I don't know how to edit.
What are you trying to do?
Edit the thing on my paper or on my calculator. My bad.
I was like, you use your eraser. All right, how are we going to get the surface area of the pyramid?
Triangle times 4. 4 triangles. So.
That's good, that's good.
Good
And the
job.
surface area at the base.
Or area
But how do you do the triangle though?
5.
How do you draw it?
I will create
What's-
math man.
Base.
Wait, no, I have to draw this. 1 second.
Let me do that a little
Oh,
differently.
that is a mean looking triangle.
He's not bad.
So you got a little square part, right? And triangle part. Area of the square is easy. If we just call this side, then this would be side squared, right? Area of the triangle. You guys not gonna write this down.
Where is it on?
The final form, yeah,
Oh,
just how we sort of calculate it from the shapes.
We could just take the page.
I'm recording. Alright, fine. You should practice your figures.
Drawing them?
Yeah.
Practice
fun.
drawing.
Alright, for the triangle, we can imagine, let's say this. We need this. This is half of S. This is the height. And this is the slant length. I'll call it L. The triangle is going to be 1/2 its base times its height in this sort of angle thing, which is L. Does that make sense? Like if I take this triangle, the base is S, and the height is the slanted L. So 1/2 base times height. L from this triangle here, using Pythagorean's theorem, S over 2
Whoa.
Making some big boy moves over there.
What?
Yeah, I gotta record my video for student council. I'm just gonna say what I was saying.
Can you guys read that?
Yeah.
L,
Yeah, but what is that thing on the left?
L
Is that-
squared?
L.
Yeah, what is L?
It's the slant of the triangle.
The slant of the triangle? You gotta
Yeah.
write all that.
Does that make sense?
1 second, let me write that. Okay, F
Yeah.
E squared plus S over 2.
D squared plus. Is that
Okay.
S surface area over 2 squared?
Yeah. No, it's S. It's the side
Which
length.
is a
Oh, okay.
And that's an H.
It kind of looked like the surface area, like, I was like,
No, I think I initially wrote a 2 and I meant to write an S.
hmm?
I think I can use an eraser here. Let me see. There you go. Is that better? And this over here, this is an H squared. This is the height squared. It's from Pythagorean theorem. You have a right triangle, leg squared times leg squared equals side squared, or hypotenuse squared.
wait, is that how you find the pyramid? Or the, like,
Yeah, that's how we're gonna find
triangular pyramid, that formula?
Yeah, we're gonna get the height of the triangle by getting this hypotenuse of this right triangle.
Oh, is that height squared?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was D squared. I'm like, what's D?
Diameter.
Wait, oh, that's an H? I thought it was D2.
Is that better?
Yeah, I was like,
Is that better?
Yeah. I just didn't question it. I was like, yep, D.
Do you get where it's coming from?
Yeah,
Okay.
then height.
Yeah, it's just like c squared equals a squared plus b squared. That's what we're doing.
I'll write that down next to it in case I don't know any math someday.
Okay. So s squared is fine.
loser.
We had s. I can even switch colors.
Wait, did you say loser or boozer?
Loser.
I'm cupless as well.
We were given s, right?
The water bottle.
And we were
Cactus
given
juice.
and we were given h. So we want
This Jack.
we actually want this in terms of s and h, not just l.
Curtis with a lot of S's.
Curtis!
So this would actually be 1/2 s times l we just found was the square
I
root.
forgot that L.
One.
Very awkwardly.
So we get s.
So that's what L equals?
Yeah, this is square from this.
Ew, I hate that.
That's the
Yeah, I don't like that either.
But
Oh,
then
wait, okay.
I just
Got it.
square rooted both sides, right?
Again, you little stupid head.
And there you have it. That's the area of the triangle part, right? And you have 4 of those. So the surface area of the pyramid will be 4 times this. So plus s squared. Does that make sense? Is that easy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey,
maybe.
my boosted T's here. I'll be back.
That's embarrassing.
What did you say?
His boosted teeth here. He ordered some.
Oh, nice. Are we good on this example?
Yep.
Okay, wait. Almost. I want to write that down because I wasn't gonna, but then I was like, wait, you're gonna forget it. So I'm gonna write it down
This
just
is
in case.
recorded, Adrian.
What'd you say?
This is recorded.
Well, yeah, but I'm not gonna go watch a recording all the time. Okay, I'm good now.
Good?
Yep.
All right, let's do,
That all.
let's
Let's do this star.
no, let's start,
Please look.
I don't really do that one. Let's let's do the cone. So now I have you have a cone, right?
Yeah.
And it has a height.
I mean, your little cone.
It's a teepee.
Yeah.
It's a dunce hat.
That's that too. So we want the surface area. So remember that the surface area, this outer shape of the cone, I don't know what you'd call that. If you have like a great circle, the circumference of the, this would be the circumference of this. That's the circumference here.
Oh my god. You're so loud.
This length here is the radius of the circle from which you cut the sector out of in order to make a cone. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Marvel? Okay. So the outer surface area is the sector of a circle, right?
Mm.
The area of a sector is in the same ratio as the area of a circle. And that is equivalent to this arc length to the full circumference of the outer circle.
Oh, okay, I feel like I missed a lot.
What kind did you get, Nick?
Going green. Strawberry kiwi with blue raspberry.
Ooh, ooh.
Wow.
Wow.
Very fruity.
Let's see what I have.
Hearing a lot of noise that I can't understand.
Curtis and Simon left the chat.
So I'm going to, well, the area of the big circle is pi L squared, right? And so you can say that this area would be, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels, this cancels.
Wait, how do you draw a cone?
A circle.
I wasn't here for that.
A good question is, why can't I draw
Why can't you draw what?
an L? My L's, they look like this. One second.
Because you don't take L's.
That's true. I've been drawing them like this.
I can't see yours.
Well, that's embarrassing.
That's embarrassing.
Let me switch back.
Okay.
Oh.
You're drawing them like this, but the other way for you.
Okay.
Okay. That's okay.
It's not.
It's like an F.
So are we going to lunch too or no?
No, because you're not on a Chromebook or anything.
That's bad.
But I could go on my phone and you could join us from there.
Oh.
What? XP?
Or I could just do it on my Chromebook.
And artist 15 bits.
We can both do that.
What is it?
Are we-
This
Are we
is
on that?
this is what you guys are on.
Go.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my.
I just got one of
So
Ew, that alien.
fancy.
these, and I have you on a
Yeah.
book.
Oh my.
So I can't.
That guy do feel a little scary.
I can't unplug it,
Okay, that's
What's
fine.
the whole point of
We'll
this
survive.
glove thing?
so I
So
don't.
when
have
he
it.
writes, it doesn't get his hand.
Oh, you don't know how to love, I know I'll stay alive.
What's that?
It's
Then
big
that
brain.
glove is really big brain.
I know. It's
Whoever
kinda
came
nice.
up with that idea, like,
Cash money.
Hold on. All right. So the surface area
I'm gonna write all this down.
is going to be r over L times pi L squared. So I guess that cancels, and so it's pi r L. That's for this outer cone part. L we can figure out from the I don't know, Pythagorean theorem again. From this right triangle.
Is that pi L squared?
Here it was, but it was, and then it was multiplied by r over L, so the L's canceled. and you got pi r l. Do you guys see my cursor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So from here again, we have that L squared equals h squared plus r squared. So L is equal to square root of L squared plus r squared. Right? So I'll just,
Yep.
You know, I kind of like drawing L's like that, like a little loop. I'm starting to like that now.
well, remember my my z's are cursive too.
What's that?
That's a z.
That's your Z?
These are perfect.
X, Y, Z.
Go by.
I have,
That's
I
not
have
good. I don't like it.
one of those in my name.
What's that?
I have one of those in my name. And I used to love drawing it, but now I don't write my name. Like my middle name, I mean.
Oh, I see. What's your middle name?
Elizabeth.
Oh, nice. Yeah,
Elizabeth.
I would
Like
probably-
everyone has the middle name is Elizabeth. It's
I
like,
don't have Elizabeth.
you are Elizabeth?
I don't. Will doesn't have Elizabeth. I don't think Bella has Elizabeth. I don't
No,
think
but
Will has it.
like there's like 6 Elizabeths in our class.
You know what my
Like
middle name
Maddie's
is?
Elizabeth, Sophia's Elizabeth.
E.
More because I don't know anymore, but I'm sure there are more.
Edward.
Nope.
I don't think Griffin has it.
Eric.
Griffin, is your middle name Elizabeth?
It's Thomas.
That sounds like Cap. I think it's Elizabeth.
It's literally Thomas.
Griffin Elizabeth.
I'm lying.
I'm gonna write that on my
I was
paper.
gonna say it was Elizabeth, but no. My middle name actually starts with an F.
Cap. Will, indeed.
Fred.
Nope.
Freddie.
Nope.
Francisco.
No, I have a friend whose middle name is Francesco.
Francesco.
Ryan Elizabeth to tell us.
Francis.
No.
SPH.
Yes, sir.
What's the
Five.
second letter?
Yes, sir.
What's the second letter?
I'll tell you what the fourth letter is.
Okay. What is it?
Come text Marvel.
Nate,
Blank.
we sent you the code, and then like you came in and you played like one game and then you left, and Caitlin and I were like, oh, that's
Wait,
awkward.
Nicole.
Yeah. I was like, I'm out.
Okay, guys.
Cool.
Guys,
I
real
mean,
quick.
yeah. I made a good friend yesterday, but I lost him.
Oh, okay.
Hangman?
What are you doing?
We know
What's our
N.
category?
We know N. R.
My
middle name.
Wait.
Oh,
R.
Frank.
Frank.
Yeah, that's
It's Frank.
Frank.
Yeah, Will.
oh my gosh,
Will.
Frank Sotelo, how sweet.
Nothing gets by Will.
Frank.
Yes, sir.
We should start calling him Frank now.
Yeah, my friends from one of my best friends from high school was Louis Francisco Picto. All right, so
Marvel, look at your phone.
Oh, Nate, way to tell me.
so your surface area for the whole figure is going to be pi times r times the square root of h squared plus r squared. And then you also have to add in the base of the circle, which is pi r squared.
How don't you get my Chromebook ready for this? For lunch?
You gotta take it to lunch?
Yeah.
We're playing one of those.
You better get into Google Meet then, otherwise you'll lose them, wonder.
As long as they stay in there, I can always stream.
That's Corona.
Up.
No, Nate,
Is
Nate,
it
if
Ian?
you have
That makes
Corona,
it
I'm
worse
gonna
if
have
you
to
don't.
leave.
Yeah, if he
Are
has
we
corona,
good with this?
If
My throat is a little scratchy, guys. Not good. Not a good sign.
Probably not.
Because cross country.
And then Marvel put his cup in Will's cup.
That's 20 more people.
Oh my
Will
God.
didn't have Corona. Will was just nearby Luke.
Yeah.
Will was clean.
Wait, you know what's actually confusing?
Clean.
I was like the same distance from Luke as like Julian and Lola, and they didn't get sent, but I got sent.
Just because you and Luke are like best buds, you guys are like
Yeah, you're right.
he's
Every-
Luke's best friend.
Well, I don't do the lifting, but so I can count because.
Oh.
Are we good on this one?
I did write it down. Am I good on it? Probably not, but we're good.
Yeah, no, I definitely haven't written down.
Yeah, it's definitely written down.
Okay.
Yeah.
The same would go
Well,
for
I think these are the most important ones to try to figure out for the shapes, right?
Well, if it's just surface area, I can do that.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know that I can.
I can go it all last week.
It's fine. I'll set it.
I have ways to do surface area.
Oh, he's gonna
Oh,
shoot.
hey.
All right. Let me show you guys something else then. All right, you guys want to pay attention to this? Let's say we do questions like this a lot, where it's called implicit differentiation.
Hey. Yep. Look at this. Oh my god.
Let's say you have a what could be a good one? How about a circle?
Dippy.
Just a regular circle?
A sphere, I mean.
Oh, a sphere. Oh, okay. Now
You know that that's a sphere.
Half a circle.
that's gonna be interesting to draw.
So the area is pi r squared. I messed that up.
Oh, I draw it. Wait.
Wait, I did it. I did it. Yes.
All right.
I beat guys.
Now, if you remember from that other method, we were able to do derivatives by taking a and doing the transformation into a plus
Marble.
dA.
Oh my. Now that's an Asian.
And
Are you trying to invalidate Will?
oh, you're on the thing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah. This is.
Get off right now. What is that?
Just
Mute.
I know, that's disgusting. Don't make me hear myself.
I wanna hear the echo.
Ah!
Yeah, geez, no one wants to listen to that.
All right.
I mean, I don't like it.
We're gonna make this transformation, right? Into this formula here. So that will become.
Ooh,
What?
I like that.
Well, you're eating right now?
Why wouldn't it be?
He's gotta wait till lunch.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's my mom. Let's go to the right
So I'll just. Can we expand this binomial?
Look, it's basically just chicken.
Give me a second, I gotta write it down.
It's so good.
Oh wait.
I need to eat chicken. I only need-
It's expansion time. Okay. It's r squared
Oh yeah,
plus 2dr
yeah,
Okay.
plus dr squared.
yes.
This was wrong. Not 2dr.
I think that it definitely is.
Marva, what are you doing?
R. dr.
Sign language.
It's twice the product.
Oh, that makes sense.
dr squared. Right?
Wait, R squared. Oh yeah.
dr
I have a
squared.
dr.
Wait, so for 2r can we just put in 2dr squared?
No, because dr is not the same as r.
That makes sense. Okay.
So this is the radius,
I used to know that.
and what we're doing is we're
Yeah.
adding a little dr,
This is that.
Mm-hmm.
and
Oh yeah.
why am I doing a circle?
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll just stick with the
Makes sense
circle. I'm adding a little bit more radius,
And
and we're gonna get a little bit more area.
Whoa. I don't have multiple colors, Mr. Sotelo.
So this
Yeah,
is
I can't do that
this is
either.
dA,
C-O-T.
and that was
I'm just gonna
dr.
shade.
Mine's gonna
That ruins my whole drawing.
Or
She's there. She's there. That's what she became. The nanny.
What are you saying?
All right.
Seeing the name.
I don't know why I drew a sphere because I'm using the equation of just a circle, but so just think of the circle.
I don't have 3 colors. Game's over. We lost.
Yes. What's the one in orange today?
Well, you could draw it like
dr.
this. You could draw it like this.
Oh. That looks traumatic.
That looks like a dumb onion ring.
Doctor.
Yep.
That's an onion ring.
Onion.
Is that okay?
Yes.
I mean, your drawing's good.
One color.
I don't think I can draw that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to. But it's fine. You're recording.
Okay.
You are recording. That is good. That is true.
there was no reward.
I can drink my teeth.
Look at all those colors.
All right. So this is A.
Color squared plus.
So do you? Are you gonna cancel DA eventually?
Yep.
Somehow.
So let's subtract the original formula.
Her RDR is too long. We have to get rid of her.
Yeah, that's too small.
Of course.
We can divide by dr. So a prime dr is 2 pi r, and then this is, because this is not part of the standard part, it has an infinitesimal. You just take the standard part, and therefore that'd be it. So if you change,
Yeah.
notice,
Wait.
what's that?
Oh, yeah.
So the rate at which the area is growing. Go ahead.
Okay, so your pi dr at the end. What is, like, where does that go?
So the definition of, if you're using the infinitesimals,
Okay, even with the pi, you can just.
you take the standard part, which means
Right.
if there's an infinitesimal bit, you just forget about it.
Oh, I never.
Another thing we could have done was, if we didn't think of the standard part, was that we could have said when this is squared, we can just sort of drop it.
Okay. Perfect.
Either way you want to define it kind of works.
Yeah. Okay, see you.
Bye, Nate's dad.
Here's Mr. Newcomer.
Uh-huh. Okay. So. Wait, what's that blue? ST?
Yeah, standard part, yeah.
We got one more.
Wait, what?
Standard part, yeah, ST.
Wait, oh, okay. I'm just gonna do it.
So notice that the rate of change as you increase the radius is the circumference. The amount that you change the radius by, the rate at which it's changing, and the area by, is given by the edge of it, which kind of makes sense intuitively, I think, right? So the rate of change of the area is the circumference. It's kind of nice. All right, we're going to lunch.
Okay.
Woo!
Which
All right.
means it's time.
I can stream. I can play Rocket League.
No, you're gonna put Among Us.
Yeah, Nate. What's this about Rocket League and not Among Us?
Yeah, I know.
Get ahead of yourself.
Yeah.
Huh.
Chicken wrap. All right.
What is chicken wrap?
So mad.
Yeah,
You guys get to miss out on
Way to ruin my quarantine.
Stop, it's chicken wrap and pasta salad. I want it so bad.
We're kind of like.
Don't
Don't worry,
Don't worry,
you can
watch
me.
I won't.
What was that? Dun dun dun. You can see the classroom. Marvel left. I don't know what he's doing. What is Nate doing?
Getting his pizza.
Oh, okay. I still need to get posters. Every year I've worked here, I'm like, I'm gonna put something on my walls. And I never have. Thanks.
Ooh, you pop ahead to the episode about the Donner Party.
The what party?
Donner Party?
What about?
There was one about Isaac Newton.
So close.
One what?
It said it was like Isaac Newton's like worst his nemesis or whatever. And it's like, hey, maybe it's the calculus thing, maybe it's that guy, you know?
Yeah.
But it wasn't. It was some thief who tried to like he was trying to like rob the coin mill, and Isaac Newton was like the champion of the coin mill or something. And then, I don't know, they had like a whole thing. It was really fun.
Did he like put him to death? Marvel, mute.
What? A little scary.
We're being hacked by the government.
Marvel.
You have to get off the chat, my guy.
No, I just gotta turn the volume off. Boom.
There we go.
Are you
Alright.
talking? Your mic is off. Click the mic to turn it on. See, it knows.
It's because you turned your mic off.
Alright, here's a site, you guys. I'll have to share this link.
Okay,
Yeah.
golf.
So when Mrs. Say taught this class, she was like not really happy to, because like Mrs. Profiter fell ill, and so then she took it over, and she wasn't really wanting to or ready to, so she had other teachers really help her out. And one teacher has like all of his stuff, like, and his is an AP course, so like if you go here, am I presenting or not? No, I'm not.
No.
I was recording the whole time, so
Where's
you'll see the
Nate?
lock screen for like 30 minutes. He's making pizza apparently.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So, yeah, this chaotic golf site. I'll put it on my open math too. I'll just put it in the Google Classroom. So
Well,
this
this was made with Repo, right?
what's that?
Repo.it?
No.
No? Never mind.
Uh,
The chaotic golf just sounds like something Repo would make.
oh yeah, it does kind of. I don't know why they called it that. That's this teacher's website. So he's got the same book that Mrs. Say used, and that's the one that we have. I've never given you a copy of that book. I can give you guys that book, but I figure you probably don't want to carry around books. You could take it home, I guess, and have it as a reference. Do you guys want textbooks?
We have.
Did I give you guys textbooks already? Oh, no,
Yes.
no other class have I given textbooks to.
Oh, yeah, we had textbooks at home.
I forgot that you had them, okay.
We?
So I can give you problems from them.
Yeah. I mean, you shouldn't, but you could.
So chapter 1 of this textbook is basically like kind of a review. You have how to work with lines, functions, graphs, exponentials, transformations, conics. That's like the hyperbolae, remember? The ellipses and circles, blah, blah, blah. Functions and logarithms, kind of what we reviewed. Then the chapter 2 is, and what's nice about this, I guess, especially if you're, have I asked you guys if you guys are planning on taking the AP exam?
I might take it.
I have to carry on Dean's will and taking it.
You're taking it? Did he take it?
Yeah. I think I forgot what he got actually. 2 or 3.
So if, I'm not gearing this really towards the AP test.
Sure.
So there are a few things that you'd want to study in addition to what we covered if you were planning on taking the AP test. And I can tell you what those are, and I can help you with those if you'd like. But ours is just more of a conceptual class so that you guys just understand what you're doing. A lot of people take calculus and don't really understand what they're doing this for and like what it means. So I was hoping to concentrate more on that rather than teach you to pass a test. But if you are planning on taking that test, then you're going to want to prepare for that. Chapter 2 of this book covers limits and proving things with limits and continuity. It goes deeper into it than I did with you guys. A lot of the AP exam is stuff like this, like working with limits. That's sort of like the basis of, if you remember how I said that you can work with infinitesimals, but mathematicians try to replace the definitions of calculus using the limit. And that's really where people really get sort of confused and they think it's really hard, is that sort of thing. And really, it's not as necessary to teach it, I would say. But a lot of the AP exam would be on limits. So that's chapter 2. I would say that we did not hit this very hard, but then each,
So what did I miss?
Not much. He's talking about
the
The
textbook.
AP test?
Yeah. And the textbook that you have. There's a site that I'm going to post a link
I'm
for.
trying to find work in the textbook, and they said you're not, but
Each chapter comes with notes, so you can go through the. It's a lot, but
Oh.
18 pages.
what is that?
Yeah.
Me.
Who haven't watched
So you guys can read through this, and it's sort of like guided notes on the chapter. So you guys can work through this and do this if you wish.
Oh my.
Yeah, this is all notes, 18 pages.
Looks like problems.
Yes. Well, he's going through how to do problems, and
What?
then there are worksheets, and sometimes I'll assign some of these to you guys. So we're probably getting to a place where you guys
Oh,
can
no.
start.
Yeah, how about no?
Oh no.
We learn better
Well,
by
these-
not doing assignments.
Well,
I learn better by not doing anything.
okay.
Nate learns better when you don't even teach him.
Yeah.
Let's try these. You have assumed that the limit
Limits.
as x approaches b, some point b in the number line, right?
Yeah.
As you get closer to b, the limit of this function is 7. The limit of this function is -3. So what's the limit of their sum as you approach b? What do you guys think?
10.
Definitely 4.
4.
4.
Oh.
I
Negative
thought
3.
that was a I thought that was a positive 3.
I know what you're thinking. How about this one?
-21.
Correct. This
Tiny
one?
word.
-12.
Good. This one?
7 over -3.
Yeah, or -7/3.
Oh my, Mario, you're so smart.
I know, right?
Marvel does it before we do. It's a lag thing.
This one, you'd have to sort of think about the functions. I'm not remembering.
Yeah, I get it.
I'm not remembering what the graph of secant really looks like. I think it's like this horizontal little, like, weird little thing. Is it? No, it's vertical, weird little thing. So this is, as x approaches 7, this will become,
5.
pi plus a sixth, of pi. So 180 is pi. A sixth of 180 is what?
30.
30. And so if you go, so what are we approaching here? 30 past 180? 210. So as this angle approaches 210 degrees, in radians that's 7/6 pi. What does secant approach? So if it's one of those places where it has a vertical asymptote, it would have no limit. Does that make sense?
Not really.
Not really. Well,
Wait, you said it was 210?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, actually, no, that does make sense.
So 7/6 pi, so like if you're coming around, that would be just a little past here, right? So I would say, if it was somewhere around here, you would have no limit as you approach this point. But if you
So
approach,
basically, x is 7.
yeah, so if you plug in 7, you'll get 7/6 pi, and since that's
Which
not
is 210.
210 degrees, yeah.
Is this
Okay.
recording?
So what's that?
Is this recording for Bell?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
And if you evaluate the limit as you approach a point, and it doesn't have some weird behavior like this, then you just evaluate it. You just type secant of 210 degrees, and its limit will be exactly what its value is. It's continuous. So, does that make sense?
Yes.
Like if it was here, you would say there's no limit, but if it's here, you really can just evaluate the function at 7, when x is 7, and that's fine. So you got all these sheets that you guys can use? Oh, I don't think did we go through piecewise defined functions?
Nope.
No.
We should do that.
No.
We did stuff like this, though.
Piecewise is disgusting.
What's the limit as you approach negative
One.
1 from the right side? See that little plus?
It's 1.
Yep.
Yes.
What's the limit as, oh yeah, they gave you the answer. So it's 1.
Oh wait, no, I did that on my own, I promise.
No, she's lying.
I did it off camera, I swear.
She's lying.
Okay, how about these? The limit as you approach
Why did
1,
they give me the answers for those?
I don't know. The limit as
Okay.
you approach 1 from the right of this function,
It's like 2.
yes, good.
It's like 2.
But the function at 1 is what?
2.
Well, it's 1 plus.
1 plus means from the right. So if you're coming this way and you're approaching x equals 1, it looks like you're coming to 2.
Oh, I was going the wrong way. I was
Yeah, I was really.
going left.
How about if you go to the point x equals 2 from the right?
From the right.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, are we starting at that little dot? The like that?
No.
Or we're starting at 0?
No, you're approaching 2 from the right side.
From
Oh.
the right. Well, it's 3.
Yes. How about 2 from the left side?
From the left.
1. Oh wait, 0.
Still 3.
You're approaching 2 from the left side. So it's 3, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I said 3. Look at me.
So the one-sided limits both exist and they're both the same, so that means the
Why
two-sided.
am I lost?
I don't know, maybe I'm a dummy.
You're
Could be.
approaching x equals 2, this point here, either from the left or from the right.
Which is negative.
And so
Right?
it's, no, this from the left it's approaching 3. Oh, you mean the minus?
Right, so like, when you're looking at them, it's the negative.
Yeah, this little minus exponent means you're approaching 2 from the left, and this little plus means you're approaching 2 from the right. Okay? Nate?
What?
Are you just eating?
Yeah, he's eating his pizza right now. I'm
All right.
I am a little distracted, and I can't. Yeah.
I'm distracted by me.
It's a common thing, Will. I know.
This is a piecewise defined function. We didn't go over this?
You know what?
I don't think so.
Hmm?
Piecewise
I
function?
don't remember that.
Let me show you an example.
I think I would remember getting more upset if we did.
Well, I want to get more pizza, but I'm gonna wait.
Wait.
It's almost over.
Wait for like 15 minutes. 15.
What the heck? It's not working. Did I freeze?
Well, if you freeze, then I'm gonna. Oh no, there you go.
You
Weird.
have froze. But, yeah.
Okay.
Bro. Okay.
I shouldn't have
I
gone
see
that
movement.
far. Hold on. My thing's going poopy.
Oh. Okay.
What is,
Hold on, that was bad.
Oh.
Like this. So let's say this is 3.
Should we draw this?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I need my little hand thing.
wait, no, I'm drawing it, I'm sorry.
Well, you can. You don't have to, I guess is what I'm saying.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's good. So a piecewise function is just defined like this. F of x is equal to, that's bad.
Ew.
The function is x when x is less than or equal to 3. And it is 3 when x is greater than 3. So you just have
What?
so it's to the left of 3, it's the linear y equals x.
Yep.
And once you get after 3, it's just a flat line 3.
Okay.
This is called a piecewise defined function because you're
You gotta
defining,
have 2 pieces.
or it could be multiple pieces.
Right.
We gonna go over
And
that?
then,
Anyway, I thought we did. That's good that
to
we,
be, I think that we skipped it because,
I think that we've done it before, but it was
Oh, we
a
did.
long.
yeah, we've done it in like 5th grade.
This? Whoa, let's not go too far.
It's
All
more
right.
like 3rd grade.
Yeah, you're right.
So wait.
So here's a piecewise defined function. When you're to the left of 2, it's the function 6 minus x, which starts at 6 and drops, right? And then at x equals 2, the function is 4, which this thing touches. Because when I put in 2, it's 6 minus.
So it's equal.
Yeah, it hits this point. And then if x is greater than 2 afterwards, if I plug this in, I get 4. That's good. So it's touching there too. And then x, it'd have a slope that's half, and it'd be positive, and it'd be rising after that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's just what
Sure.
that's a piecewise defined function.
Okay. That doesn't sound like the worst thing in the world. I don't know why I hate it so much.
I hate it.
As we approach the point 2 from the right, that'd be from using this function because we're to the right of 2. The limit would be 4. If we approach 2 from the left, which we'd have to use this formula, the limit would be 4 because when you plug in 2, we get 4 here. That means the two-sided limit does exist. It equals 4, and therefore it does exist. And the definition of continuity was that if the limit exists and its value is the same as when you evaluate the function at that point, so when I plug in 2, I use this, and it's 4. Since the limits from each side are the same and they equal this, then it is a continuous function. There's no hole there.
So it does exist.
Yeah, the limit exists, and it's continuous because the limit not only exists, but it has the same value as the function itself.
Gotcha.
It doesn't have like one
Okay,
of
that I get.
It doesn't-
Now I actually get it.
This is like the situation. This limit, it would be 0. This limit would be 0 from the left and the right. Therefore, the two-sided limit is 0. That means the limit exists. And if the function at this point is 0, then it's continuous.
Cool.
Here, it's not continuous. The
Hey,
limit
did you say
exists.
Cooper?
Yes.
Show us Cooper.
No.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
thought you said Uber.
Want you.
Like Uber.
You.
Is that I say
show us
goober? How would I say goober?
You don't know.
Here, if you approach from the left, the limit is 1. If you approach from the right, the limit is 1. So the limit
Right.
exists, it is 1, but the function at that point is actually 2, therefore it's not continuous.
Little goober.
Cooper.
Oh, my grandpa had a dog named Cooper and it looked just like that. You've taken my grandpa's dog. All right, so you guys have these worksheets, you have notes. Also, these are all videos, so like you can watch this guy go through. I'm not going to do it, but
Yeah, let's not.
he goes through basically the book in every lesson, and he lectures on it. He goes through the notes and stuff, and that could help you if you really do want to practice for the AP exam. We kind of started mostly from chapter 3. We sort of did 1, touched a little bit on 2, and then started with 3. We started getting into the basic rules of derivatives, product rule, quotient rule, higher order derivatives like the second derivative, the third derivative. We talked a little bit about position and velocity. And so,
Wait, we did?
yeah, you did those physics curves, kinematic curves,
Yes.
and how
Oh.
the position curve was related to
What?
the velocity curve. Oh, yeah, Will's like, what? Oh, there you go, Will. Instead of me making videos for you, use these. You've got like a ton of them.
Okay.
Well, you have so much time. Speaking of time, I gotta do.
You got 5.
What do I gotta do?
Nothing.
FASFA.
What?
FASFA.
Ah,
Oh,
yes,
for the
yes.
scholarship.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Why didn't I think of FASFA before?
And then derivatives of sine and cosine and tangent. I haven't gone in with you guys on like secant, cosecant, inverse sine, inverse cosine.
It's okay, we know it well enough.
Well, those ones will be on the AP exam. In the previous years, I haven't really made you guys have to learn those. I just
Better not start now.
What's that?
I said, better not start now.
Well, if everybody was planning on taking the AP exam, then we could start now.
No, just teach Marvel. I'll pass on it.
No, I'll take that test too.
Okay, then never mind. I guess teach this.
So yeah, we can aim this more towards the test if you're all planning on taking it. It'll be a bit more difficult and more work, but
Ooh, I don't know if I'm willing.
I will drive to the tune of I will survive.
there you go.
As long as I know how to love.
This is just the first chapters, section 1 to 5 in chapter 3. Sections. Then you got some more sections in chapter 3.
I will survive.
You've got the chain rule, and what I just
Oh, chain rule.
You said to hurt me once. You got crumble. Do you think I'll lay down and die?
don't make me mute you. Now I have the ability to mute you. So.
If I got muted, do you know how that would wreck my self-esteem forever? Mute? No, mute. You can't even do it. You can't even do it.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't.
Oh wait.
Both from a guy who's weird.
Oh what?
Guess you pin me. And
I
that's
can't
understandable.
mute
I
you.
didn't need to.
No, you know what's so weird?
Ah.
I was on
Can't
my
mute me, I'm
phone
already muted.
this morning, and I Will Survive came on my recommendation, but it was like of like a street performer doing it, and it's like you won't believe this guy's voice, and I'm like, huh? So I check it out.
No,
And
I
I'm
was
like, that is a Korean voice.
Nate,
On my way to
Asian Marvel.
Nate, I look like a Korean player now.
Marvel, let me take a photo. We're doing Korean at our school now.
Just screenshot.
No.
Oh, that.
Clean up.
I love that you pushed back the cleanup because it used to be at 40 and then you pushed it to 42.
Yes, you noticed.
Marvel.
You do this.
Of course.
Okay.
He's Korean.
Well, I'm gonna let you guys go.
Yay!
We're gonna clean up.
Eating pizza now.
All
So
right.
good luck.
I will post this on the YouTube thing.
Umbrella culture.
Yep.
And learn.
Goodbye, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Oh.
Gosh dang it! So we talk trash about Marvel.
Oh yeah, Nate.
Oh no. The Korean, he knows too much.
1 hour and 35 minute recording.